Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to move text box here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Moving a text box in Canva is a simple process that can be done in just a few clicks. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or the design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can choose from a business, social media, education, video, and marketing and print products. If you want to start from scratch, just click the create a design option here. Basically, I'm working with this design. And if you want to move the text box that you wanted, for example, this, I want the text box right here to be on the forefront of my design. You see, there are a couple of elements that I have right now. You can simply click on the image, and if you are not sure on where the elements stack together in a specific layer, I want you to click on it and click the position. All right. What will happen? It will give you the arrangement. All right. You can have the option to go to the left right here, go to the top, click on the middle if you wanted, center, right, or bottom. So you have all these. All right. But we'll deal with that later. Maybe in the center. Now on the layer section, you would notice that these are the overlaying or overlapping layers. Basically, our text box is inside the around third layer. If you wanted to move it on the top, just drag it here, all right? Or you can simply click on that and copy it if you wanted. Now, you see, when I move that, it went to the back, right? You see that? That's another way for you to be able to move text box. Or if you don't want this layer section, right-click, and there's going to be an option that says layer bring to front. Okay, so what will happen is it will be in the front. Now here you can move the text box freely without any problem. But of course, it overlaps with some of the elements. And if you wanted to move this again on the top and some of the elements are interfering or obstructing the design, again, right click and click the bring to front option. You can do that again on the same options here if you hover back here at the bottom. Basically, that's how you move text box here in Canva. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.